Guys, this is how you convert your Ultralink 300 MB into a longer range. Let's say this one is 200 meters. Then you can extend it to 1 kilometer. All right. When you remove everything into this, okay, you remove everything from here into this, and then you have a pole, you mount it there, and then you put it outside. Then you link it to your PF Sense base station. All right. So this is another project that I'm going to install this Wi-Fi in my neighborhood for my neighbors. All right. Let's go, and then we paint it. We see what will happen. I just used some few components here, as you can see. Those are familiar with you, right? I don't want to talk more about or to go into details of the technical of the system, but yeah, this one, it should be available in 1 kilometer range, right? Sharp.